What is your core business?
See, Secmark is a leading consulting firm, offering consulting services in the space of compliance, operations, software development, risk management, and arbitration and legal matters to financial market participants. You know,
What are the unique strengths of your company?
uh, being in this business for say about 10 plus years, we have quite a few strengths, like domain expertise in functional areas. We have various people who are experts in the area of risk management, operations, compliance. We have faith of clients. Then we have values and integrity, where we make sure that there is no conflict of interest, and keep clients' interest and benefits at the forefront of everything. We also provide innovative solutions, to the business problems that client brings to us, and that's where we have an edge, over other consulting firms. We have a strong technology background. Our technology team is quite strong in terms of giving out innovative solutions. We have a very focused approach, to ensure that clients get what we what they want, and that is how we make sure that we deliver the best products to the client. Apart from that, couple of things which make our strengths are: we have a young and dynamic team. We have made sure that the team is around for quite a period of time with us, making sure that there's continuity and good team building.
This technology you have developed on your own, you are tied up with somebody.
See, some of the technologies are our brainchild, but some of the things like machine learning, artificial intelligence, RPA, which is robotic process automation, are what are the services available in the market. So we've used those platforms to get a product which helps our clients.
So how many products you have?
Software products, we have three or four. We are in the process of developing few more in terms of operations, automation, and other things which we have thought of right now, considering this new normal that we will have going forward. And that's how it is right now.
Which is your hot selling product?
Hot selling product is one is which is OIMS, which is order instruction management system, wherein the product is such that SEBI has mandated pre-order instruction to be maintained by clients in terms of orders that are placed for trading in the stock market, and we make sure that a product ensures the compliance that SEBI requires.
How is the feedback of your clients?
They are very happy with that. We have customized that product for a few clients, and that makes them quite pleased with this, because it serves their purpose based on their dynamic operations.
What have been the major achievements of your company?
The major achievements, in a short span of time, we have made sure that we've carved out a niche for ourselves, apart from the advantages that I told you that our company possesses. So that makes us a different beast altogether.
How your products are competitive in the market?
Products, I may not say per se, because we are more of a service oriented firm providing services. We have a few technology products which help our clients to deliver their services. So we can say that we have a niche in the market. We provide certain specialized services with a lot of focus to client delight, and making sure that the client gets what he wants.
How much
So there
strong
is
is
no
your brand?
differentiator as some sorry.
You continue.
Yeah, I was saying there is no differentiator as such in terms of giving out products, but these products that we have are a part of our endeavor to make sure client is able to deliver their services to the best of their ability.
How much strong is your brand?
Being in this industry for about 10 to 15 years, we have about 150 plus clients, ranging from hedge funds, mutual funds, exchanges, clearing corporations, FPIs, alternate investment funds, So we have a mix of different participants, and all the participants that we have are somewhere or the other leaders in their own space.
Now this work from home has increased the demand for your products and services.
So considering the new normal of working from home, I think a lot of companies were contemplating this, considering the changing environment of technology, but probably they didn't implement it the way they should have. And what has happened is the situation of COVID-19 has made sure that people are forced to do some things like this, and give that opportunity to uh, their employees to work from home. For us, being in the consulting space, it has not hampered that much, because whatever we do, we can do it over phones, over webinars, over video calls, conferences. So there is, we can say, about 10 to 15% of difference, because we may not be able to visit the client's office in the scenario, but nonetheless, we are able to take this through.
How do you look at the overall opportunities?
Overall opportunities, I would say, favorable market conditions on the back of overall growth in the sector is there. Probably the last 3 or 4 months, probably we are in negative growth, but I think our services, what we do is, we are trying to focus on technology driven, solutions. There is a lot of regulatory changes and stringent compliances that are coming in, every day. And this I'm talking about pre-COVID, before March. And we make sure that we're trying to handle all this, through technology and, expertise in that space.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
Team has vast experience, as I mentioned. We have a very young and dynamic team with varied experience. So, that gives us an edge in terms of giving the best possible, solution to our clients.
Who are your blue chip clients?
Again, blue chip clients are across all sectors, that we have, from insurance to mutual funds to hedge funds to broking houses, MNC broking houses included, and all of them are leaders in their space. So again, our brand and good clientele that we have makes this a very strong combination.
How do you foresee the future?
It's a good question. Foresee the future. Wish I had a crystal ball where I could foresee this, but again, technology is something which will drive the future. Again, we will keep seeing some new normals like what we are seeing right now, and artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics. These are the things, for the future, and people need to ensure that they are abreast with all these things, and keep going in that direction.
Any other important
Those
point
with
you would like to share?
Yeah, one of the important things I'd like to share is, in fact, we before the COVID-19, we were planning to open offices in southern part and the eastern part of India, where we were trying to expand our footprint, but the situation did not allow us to do that, take over our plans. But we plan to do that somewhere in the near future when the situation comes back to normal. And we are also looking to come with a public issue when the time is right, probably within the next year or so, to see through our expansion plans.
But how do you look at the opportunities for exports?
Sorry?
How about exporting your services? Having clients abroad?
Yes, we have been trying to get in touch with people, such like-minded people that are there in other parts of the world, and we are exploring those opportunities to see if we can have some kind of a JV or a tie-up abroad, where we can they can serve our clients who are based in other countries, other locations, and they are clients who are abroad and want to do something in India, we can support them. So that is a kind of a quid pro quo arrangement that we are working on. We're looking for the right partners. We're speaking to a few of them, and let's see how things turn out.
What is the secret of your success?
Secret of our success: hard work, good team, uh, mix of right kind of people, and we can also say that we are a niche firm which has, in the short span of about 10 to 15 years, we've carved out a special status for us and a position in the market with quite a few business verticals, like technology, operations, risk management, compliance, arbitration and legal conciliation. So we have quite a few verticals, and that is a strong point that we have.
How do you bring synergy among all these verticals? Because client is one.
Uh, True, and we make sure that the team communicates with each other. Whoever is the expert has the final say in that particular point that client needs. So we make sure that everyone is responsible and at the same time accountable as well.
What is the biggest compliment you have got?
The biggest compliment. That's a tough one. We got many compliments, but the biggest one probably I can say is where the client thought that and probably said it somewhere in writing. I don't think I have that email, but I'll have to figure that out. They were quite pleased with the kind of all-round service that we provided, and the quickest possible solution that we could give them in terms of certain matters they had.
How do you look at overall industry?
Overall industry in consulting,
Your financial products.
there is a lot of scope. As I said, there is a lot of demand for consulting services, I would say, per se, because you can see that a lot of compliance is increasing. There are a lot of space where artificial intelligence and robotics and machine learning could be put in place. So I definitely think there is a lot of scope, in this space.
So nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, Mr.